Right, so this helps clean a ps5, so basically the fan area. So what you do, these panels are removable, you can't get replacement. So if you just put your hand in there, behind the logo, and it comes off like that, you just pull it straight down. And then what you do, where's that toothbrush?
It's behind you there.
So it's a toothbrush. Gonna make sure
Or any brush.
the fans are cleaned out. And you can see there, dust is coming off. So make sure you get all that dust out, because Jesus, I might get this a fair clean tomorrow. No, so once that fan area is clear, you're gonna basically grab your cover